Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad you could join me today. If you're one of my subscribers, thank you for being a subscriber. If you're a person just drops by every now and then and seeing what I'm doing, thank you for dropping by and I really appreciate you. Today, I have a project for Saturday Morning Makes. And Saturday Morning Makes is an open collab with Jill Norwood. And you can make anything that you want. Just post it on Saturday for your Saturday Morning Makes. Let me show you what I did. You all recall that earlier on Saturday Morning Makes, let me move this camera up a little bit so you can see it. You all recall that on Saturday Morning Makes earlier, I made this little box here with a die. So a friend asked me for it and I said, oh, okay. And I really want to give it to her. But I wanted to make it a little bit special. So what I did was I got a Dollar Tree cutting board. I painted it in this nice blue that kind of goes with this. And I went to the Dollar Tree also and I found a calendar. So I figured that it would be a nice kitchen decoration thing for her, along with a calendar starting in January 2023 that she could use. And this calendar is from the dollar store. So I just kind of took my hot glue gun, glued everything on here, and made this nice decor piece for her. So tell me what you think. And like most of it's Dollar Tree items, and the Dollar Tree really has stuff. You just got to go in there with open mind and think of stuff that you could do with it. But I think this came out just wonderful. It's the cutting board with my other block thing on it that I made earlier for Saturday Morning Makes. And now it has a calendar. So tell me what you think about that. And do you think this would be useful in your kitchen? My next project was I made a few fall cards that I wanted to send to friends. This one says hugs. I'm going to send that off next week. And I used some leaves from, I think these leaves are from Hobby Lobby. These are Hobby Lobby leaves. And I added a bow and I put the word hugs on it and kind of add some dimension to this hugs. My next one was a Hello Fall card. And so I had this cup. I made it into a shaker, added some leaves and some acorns and put Hello Fall. And it's a nice little card to send to a friend for fall. So tell me what you think of my projects. Tell me what you think of my projects. Thank you, Jill, for having Saturday Morning Makes. I'll see you all in my next video. I'm working on some other things. So I'll see you all in my next video. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Be the reason somebody smiles. And if you like my projects, give me a thumbs up. Also, if you wanna stop by and see more things that I'm doing, press that subscribe button and press that bell beside it so that you'll know when I update. You know what? Yeah, when I just lost it. But see, that's what happens when you try to talk too fast. Press the button so you'll know with the bell when I upload a new project or a new haul or anything new. Thank you again. Be the reason somebody smiles, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye now.